Merci beaucoup, Monsieur Alain. Hello everyone, I'm Coco Funny. I live in Japan and have a passion for traveling and eating. On this channel, I share some of my exciting discovery to spread positive energy. Thank you for watching. Today we're in Paris. I'm coming here from Germany. We arrived at this Gare de l'Est. Gare de l'Est is one of the main railway stations in Paris. It's located in the 10th arrondissement. It serves trains heading east of France, including destinations like Strasbourg, Metz, and Nancy, as well as an international service to Germany and other Europe countries. I used to live in Paris for 5 years, so I know this city very well. And this time I'm coming here for eating because I want to eat something good in Paris. I searched on the internet and found out one of the street food is very famous in Paris here. It's called Canal Street. Canal Street is a popular French street food restaurant that specializes in duck-based dishes, with the location in both Lille and Paris. It knows for serving gourmet fast food centered around high-quality duck. Their menu is typical, included items like a duck burger, duck confit sandwich, salad, and even duck fat fry. The restaurant offers a casual and a trendy atmosphere, appeal to those who want to enjoy duck in a more laid-back street food style rather than a formal dining setting. Even though I was rushing to check in my hotel and then get to Canal Street, but the time I arrived, the kitchen has already closed. But luckily, I met Mr. Alain, who kindly extended his working hours to make us a custom duck burger for takeaway. I'm so grateful to him. Merci beaucoup, Monsieur Alain. Le burger, c'était très très bon. Merci beaucoup votre temps. Once I had my takeaway burger, I found the perfect romantic spot to enjoy it. I haven't been back to Paris for so long. I found the building look exactly the same. It's the same old, the street also, but there's a lot the shop are changing. The most romantic spot to eat this takeaway burger, I think, is Musée du Louvre. It's just a 5 or 10-minute walking distance, and we would love to stop by there to looking the Louvre and then while eating my burger. But as you know, I'm just a newbie on YouTube. I completely forgot to capture all the foodie shots. I finished it in under 5 minutes because I'm so hungry, but it was so good because it tastes so juicy. And if you're planning a trip to Paris, you definitely need to stop by Canal Street. My burger was only under 20 euro, and the duck meat was incredible tender, paired with a fruity sauce that balanced the flavor perfectly, and the bun was moist and soft too. And I will definitely be back for a sit-down dinner for next time, and I don't want to be rushed again. Aside from Canal Street, I also discovered a really interesting ramen shop in Paris called Cotavalli, which means specialty. I didn't eat there because I already had my burger in hand, but the place caught my attention because it's decorated just like a Tsukiji market in Tokyo. After I back in Japan, coincidentally, I found there's a news report about this ramen shop. It turned out the owner is actually a professional pilot who traveled to Japan frequently and become obsessed with the Japanese culture and ramen. Since the Tsukiji market has a permanent close in Tokyo, he wants to make it Tsukiji market happen again in Paris. So he made a special trip to Tokyo and Osaka to learn how to make authentic ramen. He even collected decorations items from the actual Tsukiji market, and in the restaurant you can hear the original Tsukiji market sounds playing in the background. The restaurant has been open for 5 years, but I just discovered it now because I haven't traveled to Europe in a while. I'm so satisfied with my street food safari in Paris, especially on a budget. If you find anything interesting street food in your country, please share with me. See you next time. Bye bye.